Damn, bro. What you use, Manscaped? Hey guys, make sure this video is not sponsored because you know nobody likes my fucking videos. But do Manscaped.
Stay in one place like a bullet train.
Oh, come on. I didn't run the fucking stop sign, bro. What the fuck, bro? We just left the house to get the fucking exhaust, bro. Hit it. No. When you tell your best friend, bro, did you charge the power tools? Oh, yeah, bro, they're charging, man. They're charging. I gotta use the Harbor Freight special today, huh? All right, guys. Mid pipe is on. We got the mufflers off. And now we just need to put... And she's on. Just put in the nice little shines. Yo, this is a fucking $1,000 exhaust, bro. This shit is nice. Way better than the, what's the other one you had? The N1? The N2?
NVIDIA N1.
NVIDIA N1. Look at that. Whoo! Ready to go spit some flames now.
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is... Please note, the new number is...